Hi, my name is Sean at Seedburo Equipment Company, and today I'd like to introduce to you the Scio Moisture Tester. Scio is a handheld ear corn moisture tester designed to take quick and accurate moisture readings in the field. Scio specializes in high moisture readings from 8 to 80%, which makes Scio a perfect option for testing seed corn fields. The Scio is supplied with a Scio sensor, a lanyard, a USB charging cable, a Scio cover, calibration device, shade, and a small object holder. Make sure you have the app downloaded onto your smartphone. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. When the app is downloaded, sign in and pair Scio with your phone. You will need to use your email address as the username. The password will be provided to you. Simply follow the instructions in the app. You will only have to perform this once. When asked to calibrate, you will need to use the provided black cover. When done calibrating, you will have to remove Scio from the black cover. At this time, you are then ready to scan. Start by inserting Scio into the corn adapter with the sensor facing down. Fasten the clip on the back of the corn adapter. Pick the field location you would like to scan for moisture. You will scan 5 different cobs to get the average moisture in this field location. Turn Scio on, launch the app, and select the ear corn calibration. If it's the first time scanning in this field, enter the field name. Peel the husk and silk on 5 ears of corn. Make sure there is no silk left on the cob. This ear corn adapter has a soft outer rim and a hard inner rim. When you're ready to scan, press the ear corn adapter firmly against the cob of corn to ensure the hard internal rim makes contact with the corn cob. You will want to place Scio in the middle of the corn cob. Press the button, wait for approval on your phone, and move to the next corn cob. Repeat this process 5 times to receive the average moisture range. When finished with the 5 scans, push the Analyze button on your app to receive the average moisture. If internet connection is not available, don't worry. Scan 7 cobs and Scio will store the scans till you have service. At that time, it will then analyze your results. With Scio, you can always go back and track time and location of the tests that you have performed by clicking the History and Reports button. If you have any product questions about Scio, or if you'd like a quote, please do not hesitate to contact Seedburo Equipment Company at sales@seedburo.com.